To begin to tell the tale of sanitation in the Iberian Peninsula, we must go back to Roman times, creators of the oldest vestiges of collectors and sewers we can find. Advancing chronologically to the Muslim reign over the land, when Granada had breathtaking bathhouses and public latrines, the need for sanitation infrastructure became ever so clear. 1501 marks the year Granada established its first tribunal dedicated to water management by royal edict of the Catholic monarchs. In 1786, a decree is written by Francisco Ayerbe y Aragon declaring all residents must tidy their households to impede filthy water from flowing out into the streets. The Darro and Genil rivers that cut through the city presented an optimum repository for all possible kinds of waste, forcing the city to course and vault the waterways to prevent breakouts of disease and flooding. The vaulting was finished in 1942. This, together with the breakouts of cholera and typhus that decimated the population in 1883 and 1885, made the city take action to improve the purity of the drinking water. We must wait until 1950 for the first constructions of sanitation pipes to begin. In 1974, the water treatment project is approved, and 13 years later, the Collectors and Emissaries project is approved. Emasagra, as the municipal water company, oversees the construction of the infrastructure. In 1991, Granada inaugurates 2 wastewater management plants, pioneering what we now know as biofactories. At present, Emasagra is dedicated to an integral water cycle committed to minimizing its impact on climate change. The organization is focused on sustainable development for the future, for which it already has a series of strategic goals. Throughout this docu-series, we'll explain how Emasagra is transforming its facilities to obtain energy self-sufficiency, reducing its carbon footprint, redefining the water treatment process under a new paradigm: biofactories. This pioneering system, with the goal of creating green infrastructure, contributes to the decrease of our impact on nature with eyes on Agenda 2030. This production model of circular economy is based on the output of renewable energy and waste appraisal. It's important to highlight that Emasagra, and especially Biofactory South, have stood out as pioneers and torchbearers for improvement in Spanish water treatment processes. Thus, their personnel possess the experience and know-how needed to be at the vanguard of management and operation of these kinds of facilities.